Hey everyone, need to sync your Webflow data with Airtable? I'll show you how to connect them using Zapier. So set up your form in Webflow to collect data. Use Zapier to create a Zap. Select Webflow as the trigger app. And choose Form Submission as the trigger. For the Action app, choose Airtable and select Create Record. You can map the form fields from Webflow to the corresponding fields in Airtable. Test the integration, and you're all set. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you next time.